Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start review exercise 2. Question number 3 is simplify. First of all we will write in exponent form, so it will become 81 y minus 12 x raised to power minus 8 and whole power 1 over 4. Then as we know that 81 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 y raised to power minus 12 x raised to power minus 8 whole power is 1 over 4. So if we simplify it, it will become 3 raised to power 4 y raised to power minus 12 x raised to power minus 8 and whole power is 1 over 4. Again it will become 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 1 over 4 y raised to power minus 12 1 over 4 x raised to power minus 8 multiplied by 1 by 4. If we simplify it, it will become 3 y raised to power 4 minus 3 and 4 2 are 8 x raised to power minus 2. Remember that power should not be negative, so we will take its reciprocal, it will become x power 2 and this will become y cube. It is your answer. Part number 2, it can be written as 25 x raised to power 10m y raised to power 8 n and the power will become 1 by 2. 25 can be written as 5 square x raised to power 10 m y raised to power 8 n and whole power is 1 by 2. Further we can simplify it. It will become 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Similarly x raised to power 10m 1 by 2 y raised to power 8n 1 by 2. So we can simplify it as it will become 5, 2 is cancelled by 2, x raised to power 5m and y raised to power 4n. So answer will be 5x power 5m y 4n. Part number 3, we simplify it as, first of all, as base is same, so we combine it, it will become x raised to power 3 plus 2. As base is same, remember that x raised to power m multiplied by x raised to power m, as base is same, so it will be written as x raised to power m plus n. And in division form, x raised to power m divided by x raised to power m. Part number 3, it can be simplified as, in this case base is same x, so we can write it once. It will become x raised to power 3 plus 2. Similarly, y will become 4 plus 1, and z will become 5 plus 5. Whole power is 1 over 5. Furthermore, it will become x raised to power 5, y raised to power 5, and z raised to power 10. Whole power is 1 over 5. Now it will become x raised to power 5 multiplied by 1 over 5, y raised to power 5, and z raised to power 10 multiplied by 1 by 5. Now cancellation will be as x, y, z, 5 2s are 10, so answer will be x, y, z square. We can simplify it as 32 can be written as 2 raised to power 5, x minus 6, y raised to power minus 4, and z can be written as 625 will be 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5 are 25, so it will become 625. X raised to power 4, y and z raised to power minus, whole power will be 2 by 5. Now it will become 2 raised to power 5, x raised to power minus 6, y raised to power minus 4, z divided by 5 raised to power 4, x raised to power 4, y and z raised to power minus 4, whole power is 2 by 5. It will become 2 raised to power 5, x will become minus 6 minus 4, y will become minus 4 minus 4, and z will become 1 plus 4, 5 raised to power 4, and whole power will be 2 by 5. Now it will become 2 raised to power 5, x raised to power minus 10, y raised to power minus 5, z raised to power 5, and 5 raised to power 4, whole power 2 by 5. Now 2 raised to power 5 multiplied by 2 by 5, x raised to power minus 10, 2 by 5, y raised to power minus 5, 2 by 5, z raised to power 5, 2 by 5, 5 raised to power 4, 2 by 5. So we can write it 2 raised to power 2, x raised to power minus 4, y raised to power minus 2, and z raised to power 2. It will be 5 raised to power 8 by 5, which can be simplified as 4 z square, and 5 raised to power 8 by 5 can be written as 5 into 5 raised to power 3 by 5. It will become x raised to power 4, as it was minus 4, so it will be, so similarly y power 2, which is your answer. Thank you.